Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Ebony McKinney. First video of the year, and it's going to be on this look right here. So if you like it, I don't do long intros. Let's go to the K New York 32 Perfect Colors palette. I'm going to start with this dark purple right here. And this palette, I do have to wet my brush just so the colors come up more opaque. Other than that, I actually really like this palette. I'm actually going to be applying it slightly above my crease so that when I'm looking forward, you'll be able to see it. This like lavender purple color, I think it's really pretty. It's more matte. Yeah, it's more of a matte lavender color, and I'm just going to be using this fluffy blending brush. Fluffy blending brush is what I'm going to use. This color right here, and I'm going to apply it like on this eye over here, right above that crease, just to blend it out, smoke it out a little bit, going in with this color, really loading it on my brush. It's actually a really pretty color. It's like a magenta color and a shimmer to it. And I'm just going to apply that all above there. And then just continue to blend it out. Tap off a little bit of the excess. And just continue to blend this out. And you can use like a swiping motion back and forth, like windshield wipers, to blend. Or you can just dab and swipe in order to blend. Whatever you feel comfortable doing. But those are the two that I use when I'm blending. Just gonna match on this side, and then I'll show you the next color on the back. And I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. Obviously not my natural. I'm going to be using a medium-sized flat blending brush. As you can see right here. Taking this concealer and tapping it on just the lid, and then gonna kind of open my eyes, look straight ahead, and then like use it as a guideline as to where I want to place and smooth out the concealer. And then just pat it in just to blend. And then I'm going to kind of almost give myself a winged liner. So you want to like swoop with the concealer. I'm turning it on the side, and then you just kind of swoop so that you get that effect. I'm going to go back in with that magenta color that we used earlier, and I'm going to place that all on top of the And as you can see, it's really like popping on the eye because we laid down a lighter shade of concealer first and with the brush. So that's really helping the pigment to pop. Because, you know, on brown skin, it can be, you know, a little more tedious to get certain colors to show up on our skin tone. So just a little tip to help. Hopefully that helps. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in on this dark purple color, that first color we put down in the crease, or right above our crease. And I'm just gonna deepen that, taking Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. It's waterproof, so that's always good. And I'm just going to coat my lashes with that. And it's in the color black. And I've seen a little trick where if you turn your wand upwards and then just go over all your lashes, it's supposed to coat it faster. And we're just prepping the eyelashes for the band lashes, the false lashes, that we're going to apply. And it also helps to get some of that eyeshadow off if any got on your lashes. This helps just to blend them in with the lashes more. At the same time, I went ahead and applied black eyeliner to both eyes. So if you like this look how it is with just the mascara and the eyeliner, you can go ahead and just stop right here and wear this out, and I think you'd really like it. But I like to wear lashes, so I'm going to be using these Kiss lashes, and they are called Starlit. I actually got these from the dollar store, so don't sleep on the dollar store. Or I would normally get lashes from like Five Below, Sally Beauty, or just my beauty supply store. So, or Walgreens. Walgreens has really good lashes too. So you pretty much find lashes everywhere. Now that we got our lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in the color Mahogany. And it looks like this. Little clicking sounds so that you can get the concealer to come to the brush. And then I just apply a little there, right there, a little there, and right there, down the bridge of the nose. And then I like to apply some directly on the middle of my forehead, and then highlight right there, because when you are using concealer, it is bringing attention and highlighting certain areas of your face, which is why it's normally applied in under eye to brighten the under eye and to highlight and, you know, bring more attention towards the forehead, the bridge of the nose. Some people do it right here, right above the lip, and then of course the chin. I tend to reverse contour if I am going to contour, and I do that by starting at the top of my ear and just bringing it. I kind of smile and bring it and cut right under so that my cheekbones really pop. And then I repeat that on the other side, starting at the top of the ear, bringing it all the way, smile, and cut right up under so I can really like get those cheekbones. Take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that out. And I didn't dampen it because when you dampen a beauty blender, it's going to shear out whatever product you're using it for, which is good if you're going for a lightweight, almost no makeup type of look. But today we're going, you know, for a more glam look. So we're going to keep the brush. We're going to keep the beauty blender dry so that it doesn't shear out any of the products, and we have the maximal use and full capacity of product. And make sure to blend out that chin, that concealer on the chin. Make sure to blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with CoverGirl's translucent powder in the shade Honey, and I just put that on my beauty blender, kind of scrape off that much because apparently we don't bake anymore. So be careful with loose powders, because normally, you know, it will like get on clothing and stuff. Not always. If you wear a shirt or a scarf on top of your outfit to protect the powder from like getting on whatever outfit you're wanting to wear, then you should be fine. But yeah, ooh, put a little extra on there that time. So I'm just gonna blend that out and set that concealer that we've placed on there. Gotta smile when you do your makeup. Sometimes I find that you like it more when you smile. And to really carve out our cheeks, I'm going to be using that same setting powder and the e.l.f. contouring brush. It looks like this. Hopefully you can see that. It looks like this. And we're just going to, I normally do like a puckered lip, like, and then that same angle, top of the ear. And just curl it up. Alright, so here is the final look. What do you think? What do you think? I love it. Do you love it? Do we love it? I love it. I think it's super cute. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a like. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and ring that bell so that you will never miss the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.